back to the channel. It's your boy DaeDae, and we back with another banger. And we're on search for a new clutch cable still. This time we came to the Delamo Motorsports in Paramount. So I guess it's a Husqvarna dealership. So I spoke to them on the phone before I pop up, and they said they can order it, and it should get here in like 3 to 5 days. Like I ordered one off eBay, but it was for a WRF. So I don't know if they're different. So let's go up in here and check it out. I particularly like this dealership because it's cool. Like, so I guess this is like the whole Husqvarna lineup right here. And as you can see, sale 10 racks. So I'm gonna take my little trip over here to the parts department to see if they can order it for me. And I'm possibly going to be picking up a Icon vest today. So we'll see how this goes. So yeah, hopefully they can do me some good because I miss riding my bike, and not riding my bike sucks. So I like these gloves too. I'm gonna come pick up a pair of gloves also. Like these. If I can find one like these in my size, dope. Alright, so, or if I could buy some grips to match my gloves, that'd be nice. Right, there's some of their merch and stuff. Tires and stuff over there, you know. Gloves, all type of stuff. All the oil and all that good stuff you need. Drain pans. Ooh, I do need one of these also. So when I wash my bike, or when I put it up when I'm done riding. And all this does is just stop stuff from coming in. So I'm gonna pick up one of these. And oh man, I just wish I had more stuff. More room for stuff. Alright, to catch y'all up on what's going on. Tommy's supposed to be racing Ozzy tomorrow for $1,000. We'll see how that goes. You know, it's been a big discussion for the past about a week and a half or so. So after I leave here, I'm be going linking up with Tommy, Chelino, and Kat. We all go and Anders go testing and see what he do. I'm gonna bring the camera and show y'all what he do before the race. And we just go from there, you know. Anything is possible. Anything can happen in races. So we just go keep the best hopes up, you know. So that's about it. And I know all these people looking like, what the hell is he doing? Alright, so I put in the order for a clutch cable. But she said it's hydraulic. It's a hydraulic. She said it's a hydraulic cable, but I don't remember it being hydraulic. So I just put the order in just in case. I still have the regular cable coming off of eBay for a WRF 250. So hopefully the WRF and the TXC are compatible. Because the year and model I got, I don't think it was very popular. I think it was like a quick release and like it didn't do good. So like they stopped making it. So it's been very difficult to find the parts for this bike. And they say 10 years for a bike is old. Like mine's 2010. They said like anything past like 10 years is old. So I'm like, maybe I need to find a better job or something. Like, golly, this stuff getting expensive. I went up in there, I purchased, but I got some gloves and a little plunger stopper. What they call this? A wash plug. Whenever you're washing your bike, put the plug in the pipe. Boom! Ain't no water going in that bad boy. Oh yeah, man. We out here.
I'm excited for you, Tommy.
Who go? You gonna knock him down with the speed gun? Big boy?
We gonna let Big Bro do that. Yeah, I was. Boy, you know when you ride, let's go pump up. Yeah.
100.3 the bumper clot, bitch.
Look, you choloed out, nigga, right?
What's a clot warrior?
You see a Mexican and a Jamaican, it's some shit finna go down.
Buckland. I told him to do that right there.
Oh, okay.
He gonna come through.
Hey, that motherfucker pull him like this nigga that size.
I said, here we come.
I had that more.
RPM gotta match up.
What do that do?
It tells you the RPMs.
It tell you how that motherfucker, what that motherfucker doing inside that motor.
Oh, how many
That's
times
how
that
fast
bitch
he's going.
spinning? Yeah.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie though. Hey, I think the rod bearings needs to be changed
You think so?
tonight.
Why you say that?
Cause that has been changed since
It
the
get
tournament.
cold. What?
Rod bearings. We've been testing a lot.
Man, that motherfucker bulletproof to me.
But we've been testing a lot.
Fucking bulletproof.
It's gonna be. It's about that time for it to be about that time.
Get
You
on,
feel
turn
me?
over. I know he don't want to open up that motor.
He really don't want to open the motor because that bitch is a bother.
Yeah, because it's working.
Oh yeah, we
Work
gotta
it.
leave it alone though.
He
We
said,
leave it alone.
don't fix what's not broke.
You never do that.
Look,
Hey.
hey, Tommy, look, the way you taking off is perfect. All you gotta do is when it open up, hold it down even more, nigga. Like, cause I heard the little.
When,
Yeah, 'cause we see
when
going to the
Ozzy,
side,
Ozzy
too.
on the side of him, he ain't gonna do it.
Oh yeah.
Cause he gonna want to stay in front of Ozzy. He gonna want to stay in front of him, so it's gonna be.
Hey, you about to be any class jockey in a minute.
He got a lot more to go.
That motherfucker, it's like that bitch never want to slow down.
No.
Hey, and you know what he would come down here and say? It's tapping out.
Hell nah, nigga, you tapping out.
You
tapping out,
just
Tommy.
stand on that
It's
side.
your ass. I'm bullshitting.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. He gotta get that takeoff right. I'm trying to tell you. Watch, Coach Ray got it. We gonna put that bitch up.
Hey, I ain't never seen Tommy move like that. Not even on that billy head bike.
down the block.
Look.
He already down
And you
the
see,
block.
he didn't even kick off.
He couldn't.
Yeah,
He couldn't.
Yeah, because it like. Yeah,
That motherfucker wanted to go.
Like right there, he hot.
Yeah.
Hold it. Woo! Hold it, Tommy. It didn't read it.
It didn't catch him. Hey.
Damn.
Hey.
Look, he can't
Second bite.
read him.
We just look at the
That was a 10
RPM.
second bite. That was a 10-second bite. I caught it. He got down here in 10 seconds.
23, he's out there. Shoot!
Hey, that was the best pass. He couldn't even
Hell
slow
yeah.
down.
Yeah.
Watch out,
Yeah.
watch your back.
That's my boy. He be at the races.
You even like it started like it wanted to like rev. What's it called? Rev limit bullshit. Yeah. So the only thing is that it read 23 because you flew by him, so it probably caught the air that bounced off his back, nigga. Right? You know what I'm talking about?
Let it cool down and we do another
So
one.
with the RPM.
Yes, sir. Yes. Hey.
Everything the game banging.
Nigga, hey.
Turn everything the game banging.
I threw up a beat. I threw up a beat. I'm a blood now.
Hey, that nigga's a heat. I said I'm a blood now. Stop playing.
Put that mic up. Just put it up. I didn't even focus too much on the kick. I just said I'm gonna get on the bike and I'm gonna just stay low where I gotta be at. So I was already on the bike, watch out. I was already on the bike, how I was supposed to be, right? I'm gonna show you exactly what I did over there, because I'm exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm like this, right? It don't even matter on the kick. I'm on the bike like this. I just said, so I don't gotta focus too much on the kick, because the bike already is just gonna take me. You get me? So like that, I ain't have to fix myself. I was already fixed when I was on the bike.
Hey.
SG, baby.
Nigga.
Yeah.
Nigga.
You see it?
Ooh-wee.
Boy.